Ever wondered who's steering one of the UK's oldest and most recognizable financial institutions? You know, the one with the iconic black horse? Yeah, Lloyds Bank. We see their branches on high streets, their ads on TV, but who's actually calling the shots? It's easy to take these giants for granted, isn't it? We swipe our cards, manage our accounts, and rarely pause to think about the people behind the scenes, the ones making the big decisions that impact millions. Think about it. Lloyds isn't just a bank, it's a piece of the UK's economic landscape. They handle mortgages, savings, business loans, the whole shebang. So, the person at the helm? They're not just managing a company, they're influencing the financial well-being of countless individuals and businesses. That's a pretty big responsibility. And in today's turbulent economic climate, with rising inflation, interest rate hikes, and the ever-evolving digital banking scene, that responsibility is magnified tenfold. Navigating these waters requires someone with a steady hand, a sharp mind, and a clear vision. Someone who can balance tradition with innovation, stability with growth. So, let's cut to the chase. The current Chief Executive Officer of Lloyds Banking Group, the parent company of Lloyds Bank, is Charlie Nunn. Now, Charlie Nunn isn't exactly a household name, but his career trajectory is certainly noteworthy. He took the reins in August 2021, stepping into a role that demands a blend of financial expertise and strategic foresight. Before Lloyds, he was the Global Chief Executive of Wealth and Personal Banking at HSBC. So, he's no stranger to the world of high finance. But what does his leadership mean for Lloyds? Well, he stepped in at a time when the banking industry is undergoing a massive digital transformation. Traditional brick-and-mortar branches are facing competition from nimble fintech startups, and customer expectations are shifting rapidly. Nunn's challenge is to ensure Lloyds remains relevant and competitive in this evolving landscape. He's been vocal about the need for Lloyds to embrace technology, invest in digital services, and enhance the customer experience. But he's also emphasized the importance of maintaining the bank's core values and its commitment to serving communities. It's a delicate balancing act. Think about the sheer scale of the operation. Lloyds has millions of customers, thousands of employees, and a vast network of branches. Managing that infrastructure while simultaneously driving innovation requires a leader with exceptional organizational skills and a clear strategic vision. And it's not just about internal operations. Nunn is also navigating the broader economic landscape, dealing with regulatory changes, and responding to geopolitical uncertainties. It's a complex and demanding role, one that requires a deep understanding of the financial markets and a keen awareness of the social and political context. So, next time you see that Black Horse logo, remember there's a team behind it, led by Charlie Nunn, working to ensure the bank's continued success. He's the one steering the ship, navigating the challenges, and shaping the future of Lloyds Banking Group. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.